the most expensive and luxurious room in the Atlantis the Royal Hotel.
Want $10,000 per night?
Have you ever seen a table from Louis Vuitton? The suite is called the Royal Mansion, and in this suite, at the time of the hotel's opening, Beyoncé lived with her family.
Hello, Mikhail. My name is Sharu, and I represent Atlantis, the Royal, and Atlantis, the Palm. Right now, we are in the Royal Mansion, and I will show you the suite. The room is the most expensive and the largest in Atlantis, $110,000 per night. This is a huge amount. The name of the room is Royal Mansion. And what does it mean? Royal Mansion means royal mansion. That is, you will feel like kings and your wife or girlfriend will feel like a queen. The room has a total area of 1,128 square meters. It features a huge space with 4 bedrooms. At the moment, we are in the relaxation room. Here we have such an unusual decoration.
Very high ceilings.
The ceilings are very high, yes, about 11 meters. We have a terrace of 426 square meters. This means we can enjoy the view from both sides. So we have a view of Palm Island.
A very beautiful view.
And of course we have our own infinity pool. Infinity means endless, yes, as if the pool is transparent.
What other privileges are available for guests of such a suite?
First of all, we have a separate check-in for guests. They can check in either in the room or at the reception. There are many privileges for guests. For example, if they arrive by flight, we can arrange a marhaba service for them free of charge. They also have access to the Royal Lounge, where they can simply go and enjoy various dishes.
How many guests can be accommodated?
9 adults, 4 children. The age restriction for children is up to 13.99 years.
Remember, it is a very important nuance that your child is considered an adult at the age of 14.
Well, as you can see, you can hold a meeting, banquet, or conference here. Those who do not like to go upstairs can immediately occupy this bedroom. In other words, for adults, it can be considered one of the main bedrooms. By the way, we have a pillow menu that can be selected for pregnant guests, with lavender, with buckwheat. In general, it's your choice. The mattresses are a separate topic. These mattresses are specially made for the royal family at Buckingham Palace.
And who stayed in this room when the hotel opened?
You know, Beyoncé stayed here during the opening. Not only the royal mansion, but all the other rooms, even the standard ones, have such a mattress. In the dressing room, we have bathrobes from the company Frete, an Italian company. The bag from Atlantis. The Royal includes plush slippers and beach sandals. We have all the amenities here. By the way, the wardrobe is not small, but it is quite large. Our bathroom is also unusual. Take a look at the view we have from here. It's a view of Palm Island, a deep, wide bathtub where you can relax. For the category, starting from the Cape Villa, and above, we provide cosmetics from Hermes. Below the Cape Villa, the cosmetics are from Graf. They also make cosmetics exclusively for Atlantis the Royal. Here we also have a quite large shower room and cosmetics from Hermes. If you go into the toilet, you'll see how it lifts by itself. This is Japanese Toto technology. Hello. Here we also have a wardrobe and a bathroom. Our bathtub is different, wider, and deeper, which means it's an unusual bath for relaxation, you could say. And we have a separate bath, that's the summum.
This bedroom has 2 large bathrooms.
We have a room specifically for storing belongings and a safe. You can go up the stairs or we have an elevator.
Here we have gone up to the 2nd floor, where there are 2 bedrooms. One bedroom is the same as the master bedroom on the 1st floor. There are separate passages for security, for the service staff, and for the butlers.
Here we have a dining room from Royal Machine, and a separate kitchen for the chefs who prepare for you. Here we have a connecting room, which means we have 4 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms here, and 1 more bedroom that connects to the others. The first bedroom is upstairs, on the 2nd floor. That's correct. Here we have a sea view. So this is another bedroom with a king-size bed, also a spacious bedroom. We have a balcony where you can step out and enjoy the view. The view is beautiful, especially at sunset. It's very nice here. You can just take a bath and enjoy the sunset, which is on that side over the sea in the evenings. The view is simply fantastic. And this is already a bedroom on the 2nd floor with a view of the palms. That's right. We can say it's the master bedroom on the 2nd floor, overlooking the palm trees on the island. Here we have a bit more space, but it's not just a view of the palm trees on the island. There's also a view of Atlantis the Palms, the Aquaventure water park, and the dolphinarium. Of course, there's also another bathroom for this bedroom with the same view.
Who doesn't know me? My name is Mikhail Karpovich, and I organize VIP vacations. Why should you turn to me? First of all, I have visited and tried out more than 100 hotels. You can see this by checking out my YouTube channel. And these are not just hotels. These are 5-star hotels, 5-star plus hotels, and deluxe hotels. If you want to relax with family or a partner, it's important to understand that these are different types of vacations. I will professionally consult you on this. Message me on WhatsApp at this number, and I guarantee that I will arrange an unforgettable vacation for you.
In the center, we have the Skyblades Fountain Show, a fountain show. For families, we also have a separate pool, which is the Royal Pool. It is divided into 3 sections, for adults and for children. There is also another pool from Nobu by the beach. This is the Nobu restaurant, specifically Nobu by the beach, and they also have a pool, but access is 21 plus for adults only. Guests staying at Atlantis the Palm can use this pool for free, but for guests who come from outside, such as those who are not staying there, they can make a reservation, and it will be at an additional cost for the pool. In the center, we have the building from Milos, the Greek cuisine Milos. On that side, there is another pool, 25 meters long. This is our pool from the gym or the SPA, which is a professional pool. Well, next, of course, we have the Aquaventure water park, one of the largest water parks in the world. The water park will be free for all resident guests. You can even see the dolphinarium from here. By the way, you can watch the dolphins swimming there. Next, we have Atlantis the Palm. The beach can be discussed separately. There is a 2-kilometer beach specifically for the Royal Pool at Atlantis. A clean, transparent beach. You can have a great time with family or with a partner. We also have a bar here.
Have you ever seen a table by Louis Vuitton?
We have our own bar. If you throw a party, you can hire a bartender and they will serve you and your guests. Alcohol is included. The mini bar, alcoholic drinks are included, but only certain ones, not all alcoholic drinks. Here we have a home theater and you can play Xbox. It's a nice room where you can sit with friends or family and enjoy a home cinema experience. Here you have a separate office where you will work and take care of your tasks. There is also access to a terrace with a view of the sea. In total, our terrace is 426 square meters. Here we have a terrace with a pool. The infinity pool is transparent and has a view of Palm Island. We also have an olive tree that is over 100 years old. This is already a terrace with a view of the sea. Here you can have dinner and lunch with family. By the way, during dinner, the view of the sunset is very beautiful. Well, of course, we don't have a pool here, but we do have a decoration where you can have a good time, relax, and simply enjoy the moment.